In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and efficiently utilize Airtable for your projects. Airtable is a powerful tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the complexity of a database, allowing you to organize anything from personal projects to larger business operations. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and go to Airtable's website. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button, typically located in the upper right corner of the homepage, and click on it. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. If not, you might consider signing up. It's free for basic use. Once you've signed in, you will be directed to your Airtable dashboard. From here, proceed to the next step by clicking on Continue. It's essential to ensure you're signed into your account before proceeding with more advanced actions. This step is integral to make sure any changes or new projects you create are saved into your account. Now that you're logged in and at your dashboard, the next thing you want to do is initiate a new table. Click on Create to get started. This button is your gateway to starting a new project, a fresh slate where you can organize your data. After clicking Create, you'll be presented with different options for table templates. However, for the sake of this tutorial, let's choose Start from Scratch. This allows us to fully customize the table to our needs right from the beginning. With your new table in place, take a moment to rename it. You can do this by clicking on the table's current name and typing in a new one. Naming your table appropriately helps in keeping your workspace organized and easily navigable. It's important especially if you plan to create multiple tables or projects. After you've set up your table, remember to click Save. Saving is a crucial step to ensure that all your customizations and changes are not lost. Once saved, look for the Add or Import function. This feature allows you to bring in data from other sources, like CSV files or Google Sheets, or even input data manually. Following that, you can begin building out your project. Find and click on Project, and then start to link data by selecting Link to another record, or add new fields by clicking on Create field. This step is highly customizable based on your specific needs. If prompted with additional options or guides, feel free to click Skip, as you may not need those additional features right away. With these steps, you should have a fundamental understanding of setting up and using Airtable. Explore its different functionalities and tailor them to fit the needs of your projects. Don't forget to keep everything organized and periodically save your work as you go. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Airtable.